What's good, y'all? It's your boy Yancey Reacts HD. I'm back with another one. Like DJ Khaled said, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the gang, go ahead and subscribe in this thing, man.
Rich men no time to explain. Rich men no time to explain. Rich man plain. Baby with a wood grain. Support another pilot by the name.
So, today, open this up a little bit. Not just a little bit. But today, man, like, I gotta get some brakes done on my ride, and shit, I had brakes done, like, but I didn't need, this was the problem though, I didn't need to get rotors the last time I had brakes done, so I just had grabbed the pads and stuff like that though. So today I need rotors and brake pads, and it ain't nothing. I got the money though. I just didn't know, like, last time I bought brake pads was like $21 or something like that, 25 bucks or something like literally last year. I just bought them last year. So I'm looking at stuff like that though, like at the rotors, and the rotors is like $60, damn near $70 each one for 4. So 70 times 4 I'm looking at for that, and then I gotta grab brake pads and brake pads for the front and the back. So like this shit is blowing me, and I gotta go to work. They always coming down here, man. Always making this noise. It always happens when I'm recording too, though. Always. Y'all hear this mess? We gonna wait till they pass up a little bit or something. Look, people pulling over and shit.
Really, nigga?
But anyways, they gone now. So yeah, man, I gotta go and grab all of this stuff, and I gotta have somebody put this stuff on and do all of this stuff. Like, I got my own mechanic and stuff like that though, but you know, I was gonna try and be hands-on and do it myself. So what did I go do today? I went and bought this. Went and bought this tool set and shit. I don't know what good it's gonna be. It wasn't all of that expensive and stuff like that though, but I got a tool set now, and I already had like some little light basic tools that a man's supposed to have anyway, but I just went and bought this little light tool kit, and shit, I'm gonna try and use it tomorrow. So what I'm gonna be doing is, man, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna get my brakes and stuff together, and I'm gonna try and do this stuff. Not even try, I'm gonna do this shit myself, and I'm gonna try and make it to where y'all can be right there watching it with me, you feel me? I know y'all wanna see all of that good stuff too, you know? I'm hands-on. I done like other jobs on my car and stuff, like ball joints, and you know, I did tune-ups and stuff like that. You know, I can you know, change the tire, all of that kind of good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But shit, I'm hands-on when it comes to my own vehicle though, if I can save some money and stuff like that though. So that's what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. Just stay tuned in with your boy. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the gang, go ahead and subscribe in this thing, man. It's gonna be more and more and more subscribers. It's gonna be more and more and more videos. And shout out to my daughter. My daughter subscribed to my channel, man. I know my baby gonna be watching my channel, so it's definitely gonna be some good videos coming in. I ain't gonna be doing a whole lot of other BS, but I'm gonna tap back in with y'all later, man. We gone.
Rich men no time to explain. Rich men no time to explain. Rich man plain. Baby with a wood grain. Support another pilot by the name.